While talking with one of our support members, you may need to provide a Discord user ID. In this video, we'll be showing you how to provide that user ID. In order to get IDs, you will have to turn on developer mode. To start, let's go into user settings. And then, let's go into the advanced category. And then, let's turn on developer mode. And that's it. On mobile, tap on your profile picture. Then scroll down until you see appearance. And then there, turn on developer mode. Now that we have developer mode on, we can get user IDs. To get someone's ID, right-click on their name and select Copy ID. On mobile, tap on their name, tap on the three dots, and then tap on Copy ID. And that's it. Now you can paste that ID anywhere you wish, including in YTC tickets where they'll be needed. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe for more videos like this.